The style of the garden, the theme was a formal garden or a semi-formal garden, and being Park Road, we went with the park theme. We put a pond in, or a couple of water features, a pond and then a formal pond, and lots of sort of box hedging and to formalise things to structure the garden up. So as you can see, it's turned out absolutely brilliantly, and the clients are rapt, and so am I. It's been a wonderful experience to create on land.
The job flowed. It flowed beautifully. Once we got the products down, Yvonne and Steve coming in with the planting ideas, it just evolved beautifully. And it's been a pleasure to do. It's been great.
The garden took around 2 years to produce, and it started off with a design, consultation, and then design, and then redesign, and eventually we got started. And then the construction side took nearly a year overall, and it's still a little bit of it's in process, but it'll be finished shortly.
Favourite part of the garden at the moment is still under construction, which is the party air garden that we're trying to create that will enable us to feel like we're in France or Italy, some part of Europe, where we can enjoy wandering through the wonderful hedges and listening to the water feature. When you come and have a look at the beautiful water feature that we have here, and also the pavilion, the entertainment side of things, it just makes for a really informal, natural entertainment area, and then a formal area where you can go to and reminisce or feel like you're in another place.
This part of the property has about 85 cubic metres of the big Highland slate stone, but beneath the surface here we've got pebbles, rocks, which are the decorative areas, and we've got geotech fabric and a 2.5mm rubber membrane that's folded twice. So it's one solid membrane that covers, so therefore leaks, unless we cut it with a knife or something, we should never have a leak. It's got some beautiful goldfish in it. We've got an overflow system there so that when we do get a lot of rain like we've had, it overflows really well. And again, the guys have created it. The bridge that we're sitting on, or right near, was an idea they thought of over their lunch. I was a bit dubious of it at the start, but to their credit, they achieved it. They've pre-formed a concrete slab on the lawn over there and lifted it into place with the machine, then paved it. But inside the bridge has got plumbing and lights, so there's water coming out the side of the internal part of the bridge, which is pretty spectacular, really. It's very different. You won't see it again.
It's just been being able to plan it, being flexible to be able to change it to what ideas come to mind, to what you think of at the time, but at the same time just realising that you have a plan, so you've sort of got to work towards sticking to it. Without a plan, this never would have happened. So it had to start somewhere, and Yvonne coming out and sitting down with us and asking us what we wanted was the best move we ever made, because we wouldn't be here today without it.